Assalamu alaikum everyone. Wherever you are watching me from, I would like to start by sending my warm greetings to everyone. Dear friends, today I will share some important things about my life with you all. Inshallah, that will remain as memorized for my children. Alhamdulillah, we are five brothers and one sister. I am the fourth among them. Alhamdulillah. Everyone loves and respects me because of my father. My father was a well-known, popular Islamic Sunni scholar and Hafiz of the Quran. He has many talented students in Bangladesh, Alhamdulillah, who are serving with honor both at home and abroad. I am also a student of my father and Hafiz of the Quranul Kareem, Alhamdulillah. I am satisfied. I am so happy. I am over the moon of my father. My father was my best friend. My father was my best friend and best teacher, the greatest advisor in my world. Dear friend, to be honest, I never felt this way. I feel now when my father was alive. I don't know why. Maybe this is how life and nature work. I began my educational journey under the guidance of my respected father. Father is just a word. If you think, then be sure that life will make you endure a lot of pain. Unfortunately, the rest of your life will be spent in regret. You can say if you want, why am I speaking English instead of Bengali? It was my father's dream, and for me, it was a very strong determination near me. Alhamdulillah, today I have proved it in front of all of you. My father is my best teacher. Alhamdulillah, after him, I respect everyone as a teacher. Stay well. That is all about me for the time being. Thanks for having patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.